A getter is a method that we use to get the value of a private or protected class property. For example, we have an employee class with two private properties called first and last name. But, let's say we need to render the full name in the browser when the employee logs in. Well, in that case, we can use a getter. So we'll say get, then full name, which is going to return a string, and in the body, we'll return the concatenated names. Then we'll go down here and console log, employee1, full name. And it's a property, so we don't invoke it like a function. Now, let's say that our employee got married and wants to change her last name. Well, then we can use a setter. So let's go below the getter and say, set, last name, new last name, and in the body we change the last name. Now we can go down here before the console log and change the last name. If we save and take a look in the console, the new last name shows. Getters and setters are not only great to access and modify private and protected fields, but they also help us hide implementation details.